The secret meeting in the forest. In a quiet forest, where sunlight danced through the leaves, lived a wise old owl named Oliver. He was known for his knowledge of the woods and the animals that inhabited it. Every month, Oliver held a secret meeting to discuss the challenges they faced. One bright morning, a young rabbit named Ruby hopped her way to the meeting place, a grand oak tree at the heart of the forest. She was nervous but excited, as this was her first time attending. As she arrived, she saw a group of animals gathered: the proud deer, the clever fox, and a family of curious squirrels. Oliver perched on a low branch, his eyes sparkling with wisdom. "Thank you all for coming," he began. "Today, we must discuss the new danger in our forest, the humans who have started to build houses nearby." The animals listened intently as Oliver explained how the construction could disturb their homes. "We need a plan to protect our forest," he said, his voice steady. Ruby, feeling brave, raised her paw. "What if we work together to show the humans our home? We can invite them to see the beauty of our forest." The other animals nodded in agreement. They decided to create a day for the humans to visit. On that day, they put on a spectacular display of their forest life, showcasing their vibrant world. When the humans arrived, they were enchanted by the beauty of the forest. They promised to protect it and respect the animals' home. From that day on, Ruby and her friends learned that cooperation and communication could bridge the gap between their worlds, ensuring a safe haven for all.